Hi.
Hi, I'm Emma Degamo. I'm here to show you how to dismantle a CPU and introduce to you and the functions of the different parts of the CPU. And we should use screwdrivers so that we can remove all the screws inside our CPU. So we should get first the cover. First, we will remove all the screws so that we can get easily all the different parts of our CPU. So we use our screwdriver. Before starting to remove our parts, we should disconnect all the wires that are connected to the different parts of our CPU. I will remove first all the different parts of our CPU so that I can easily introduce to you all the different parts of it. So this is our hard disk. This is our power supply. Then this is our floppy disk. Then we should remove the heatsink with the CPU fan.
Saan siya pagbuha din? Lagi.
So this is our heat sink with the CPU fan. And then we should remove our processor or the memory. And then this is the LAN card or the network card. And now we can remove our motherboard easily. By the way, this is our memory that so this is our motherboard. Then we can see inside of it the bridge, the memory slot, the processor case, and the different ports, like the ports of the mouse, keyboard, USB, video card, and the printer. And then this is the slot of our, this is the PCI slot, and this slot we can see here the LAN card or the network card. Then I will tell you all the functions of the different parts of our CPU. Then this is motherboard. Motherboard is the main circuit board of the computer. So after telling you the description, I should assemble it back. Then lock it. And then this is our processor, and our processor this is our processor, and the processor is the brain of the computer and the most important chip in the computer. So make sure if you put our processor, it should fit on its CPU case. And then lock it tightly. And then we should put our hot sink with the CPU fan, and the function of it